Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐚𝐧𝐤 with another quick tip to know whether how you can stop Edge browser to suggest from copied text in the search bar. Well, getting relevant and trending search suggestions on the search bar of Edge browser makes it easy for people to find their concerned content on the web. But when someone sees the exact copied text as suggested search on the search bar of Edge browser, he finds it disturbing, which raises concern for privacy because sometimes the copied text may contain sensitive information such as personal details, account numbers, passwords, and more. So to stop Edge browser to suggest from copied text, open your browser and copy some text. And when you click on the search bar, here you can see that it's showing exactly as it is, labeling text you copied, even though you haven't even pasted it there, which increases the chances you might click on it, or someone you may have working with by sharing your screen can see it. So to stop it, click on the ellipsis icon and go to settings. Here under Privacy, Search and Services tab, click on Search and Connected Experiences. Then on Address bar and Search. And then Search Suggestions and Filters. And here, turn off the third option, which is Allow Edge to suggest using my copied text and links. Now go to New tab and click on the search bar. And here you can see that it's no longer suggesting from copied text. And this is how you can stop Edge browser to suggest from copied text in the search bar. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.